Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this XIAOMI. Firstly, you need to look for Tools folder and open it. Then access Recorder app. Over here, tap on this red button and select while using the app, or only this time in this pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. In order to pause it or unpause it, use this red button. If you want to add a bookmark, click on the left one with a flag. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on the check mark on the right. Now, name your recording however you wish to and save it by choosing OK, or delete it by choosing Delete. I will go with OK. Now, to access list of all your recordings, you need to tap on this right button with 3 lines. Choose Allow. And in order to play it, tap on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!